What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that affects almost every single PC gamer out there, which is the relentless pursuit of great gaming performance without having to absolutely empty your bank account. Let's be completely honest for a second. The graphics card market over the last few years has been incredibly chaotic. We are constantly being bombarded with $1,000 flagship GPUs that are the size of cinder blocks and require you to practically wire your PC directly into a nuclear power plant just to turn them on. But what if you don't need all of that? What if you are just a regular gamer who wants to play modern titles at a smooth 1080p resolution? What if you were trying to upgrade an older family desktop, or you were building your very first budget gaming rig? Well, my friends, I have exactly what you are looking for sitting right here on my desk. Today, we are taking a comprehensive look at the MSI Gaming RTX 3050 6G graphics card. Before we get into the benchmark numbers, the deep technical specifications, and my honest opinions on how this card performs in the real world, I want to let you know that I have placed an Amazon affiliate link right at the very top of the video description below. Graphics card prices are constantly shifting, and Amazon frequently runs lightning deals on this exact MSI model, so if at any point during this video you decide this is the perfect upgrade for your PC, click that link down below to check the current pricing and availability. It is the best way to support this channel at absolutely zero extra cost to you, and it helps me keep bringing you these deep dive hardware reviews. Alright, let's talk about the hardware. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 has been a highly debated graphics coprocessor since it was first announced, but this specific MSI Gaming Edition brings some unique characteristics to the table that make it a massive sleeper hit for budget builders. First and foremost, this card is built on NVIDIA's legendary Ampere Architecture. This is incredibly important because it means that even though this is an entry-level, budget-friendly graphics card, it shares the exact same underlying technological DNA as the massive high-end RTX 3080s and 3090s. You are getting access to second-generation RT cores for ray tracing and third-generation Tensor cores for AI processing, which we will talk about a lot more in just a minute. When you pull this card out of the box, the very first thing you will notice is MSI's phenomenal build quality. This model features a sleek, aggressive black shroud that will look fantastic in any desktop-compatible device, whether you're putting it into a stealthy non-RGB build or a fully lit glass showcase. To keep things cool, MSI has equipped this card with exactly 2 fans. Now, having a number of fans equal to 2 on a GPU this power-efficient is actually a massive advantage. Because the RTX 3050 coprocessor does not generate a massive amount of heat to begin with, this dual-fan thermal design means the card runs virtually silent. During my heavy stress testing, the fans barely had to spin up to keep the temperatures well within safe limits. If you are someone who hates the sound of a PC sounding like a jet engine taking off in your bedroom, you are going to absolutely love the acoustic performance of this card. Let's get into the nitty-gritty specifications. This MSI Gaming RTX 3050 utilizes a PCIe X16 graphics card interface, ensuring you have maximum bandwidth communication with your motherboard. Underneath that dual-fan cooler is the beating heart of the GPU, which MSI has tuned to a reliable GPU clock speed of 1507 MHz. Now, you might see it listed in some spec sheets as 1507 GHz due to typos online, but we are definitely talking about a solid, sustained boost clock of 1507 MHz. What makes this MSI cooler so great is that it allows the card to actually maintain that 1507 MHz boost clock indefinitely without thermal throttling, giving you incredibly consistent frame rates during long gaming sessions. Moving over to the memory, this model comes equipped with a total graphics card RAM of 6 GB. Specifically, we are looking at ultra-fast GDDR6 graphics RAM type, running on a 96-bit memory bus. The memory clock speed is dialed in to deliver a blistering 14 gigabits per second, or 14 Gbps. Let's translate all that technical jargon into real-world gaming terms. Is 6 GB of VRAM enough in the modern gaming landscape? If you were trying to play Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K resolution on ultra settings, no, it is not. But that is not what this card is designed for. This is a dedicated 1080p gaming weapon. For incredibly popular games like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and League of Legends, 6 GB of fast GDDR6 memory is the absolute perfect sweet spot. It provides more than enough texture buffer to keep your game running buttery smooth without experiencing those frustrating stutters and lag spikes that get you killed in competitive matches. Now let's talk about the greatest trick up this card's sleeve, and the main reason you should buy this over an older GTX card. Because it utilizes the Ampere Architecture, the RTX 3050 gives you full access to NVIDIA DLSS, which stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling. If you don't know what DLSS is, it is basically black magic for your frame rates. By utilizing the dedicated AI tensor cores on the graphics card, DLSS allows the GPU to render your game at a lower resolution and then uses artificial intelligence to instantly upscale the image to look exactly like native 1080p. The result? You get a massive, sometimes 40 to 50% increase in your frame rates without sacrificing visual clarity. This feature alone completely transforms the RTX 3050. It allows this budget card to punch way above its weight class and comfortably run heavy, demanding AAA single-player games that would otherwise bring older budget cards to their knees. Let's take a look at the back of the card at the video output interface. MSI gives you immense flexibility here with both HDMI and DisplayPort connections. This is brilliant for multi-monitor setups. But here is a specification that absolutely blew my mind when I read it. The display resolution maximum on this compact, budget-friendly graphics card is a staggering 7680 by 4320. That is full 8K resolution. Now, let's manage our expectations. You are not going to be gaming in 8K on a 6 GB RTX 3050. However, this massive resolution support makes this card an absolute dream for media consumption. If you want to build a home theater PC for your living room, and you want to connect it to a massive 4K or even an 8K television to watch high bitrate movies, stream cinematic content, or do heavy multitasking across multiple high-resolution displays, this MSI card handles it flawlessly without breaking a sweat. But perhaps the biggest selling point of the RTX 3050 6G, and the reason I recommend it so highly to my viewers, is its power efficiency and compatibility. If you have an older desktop, maybe a pre-built Dell, HP Pavilion, or an old Lenovo Office PC, those systems usually come with incredibly weak proprietary power supplies. If you try to upgrade to a massive high-end GPU, you usually have to throw away the power supply, buy a new one, and spend hours rewiring your entire system. The MSI Gaming RTX 3050 6G completely eliminates that headache. Because it is so power efficient, drawing significantly less wattage than the older 8 GB models, it is the ultimate drop-in upgrade. You can simply open your case, slot this card into the PCI Express X16 slot, plug your monitor into the DisplayPort, download the NVIDIA drivers, and instantly transform a boring, sluggish workstation into a highly capable 1080p gaming machine. It is the easiest, most stress-free upgrade path available on the market right now. So, what is the final verdict? The MSI Gaming RTX 3050 6G is a masterclass in budget engineering. It provides the incredible benefits of the Ampere Architecture, the frame-boosting magic of DLSS, ultra-fast 14 gigabits per second GDDR6 memory, and a whisper-quiet dual-fan design, all wrapped up in a package that will effortlessly fit into almost any desktop PC. If you are still struggling along on integrated graphics, or you are trying to squeeze the last bit of life out of a dying GTX 1050 or 1650, this is exactly the upgrade you have been waiting for. It brings modern gaming technologies down to a price point that actually makes sense. If you are ready to take your gaming experience to the next level, or if you just want to read some reviews from other gamers who have bought this card, please do me a huge favor and click the Amazon link I have provided in the description below. Picking up your hardware through that link is the absolute best way to support the channel, so I can keep buying new parts to test for you guys. Let me know down in the comments what games you are currently playing, and if you think the RTX 3050 is the right choice for your next build. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive hardware review. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep on gaming, and I will see you in the next video.